or the life cycle of the silk moth. We all are familiar with the silk as a fiber. It that is made into dresses. In medical purposes also, it has immense importance because it is used for surgical purposes and replacement of tendon, cartilage, and ligament, bones, etc. And
What are tendon, ligaments, and cartilages?
they are connective tissues.
Connective tissues of
Connective tissues, basically, they all are connective tissues of different purposes. Like cartilage is basically present like in our soft bone type, like in our inner ears and nose type. And tendons are basically they join the muscle and a bone.
So how does silk play a role in that? I think that is pure collagen.
Silk is a fibrous protein. So it has been successfully used in the medical purposes, like heart closure defect.
I'm not getting the scientific part of the medical use. So maybe I don't know that, so you need to explain me because talking specifically about tendons, ligaments, and cartilages, they are pure collagen molecules. So how does a silk thing play a role in that? I don't understand that. So maybe you educate me regarding that.
Basically, silk is a fibrous protein. So it has been used from 100 of years ago. It has successfully used in the such surgical processes like in that.
आपको पता नहीं मुझे मुझे ना एक्चुअली नॉलेज नहीं है इस चीज़ की. She is saying that in the role of tendons, ligaments, and cartilages, silk plays a role because she is right on one part that both are fibrous proteins, collagens and silk. But using in this because जैसे tendons, collagen में तो you simply start collagen supplementation. तो you need to educate me. मतलब फिर से आपको पूरा explain करना पड़ेगा मुझको. Okay, exactly how does it play a medical role? Educator, we don't know. You have to educate us.
I only know this portion that it is used.
It is used. Okay, go further.
And as a textile also, it has immense value because it is lightweight and it is smooth, shiny, and it can be dyed into so many different colors. So it led the scientists to develop more products from the silk. So basically silk is derived from the secretions of released by the mouth of the silkworms, or basically caterpillars. The life cycle of the silk moth begins when the female silk moth lays eggs. And here it is shown that the size of the female silk moth is larger than that of the male, because it is a fact that the male silk moth is smaller in size than that of male.
Can you hear her? I think you're not loud enough. I can hear you, but they might not be able to hear you.
It is a fact that that the male silk moth is smaller in size than that of the female. So here it is. I have shown that the female silk moth is bigger in size than that of male. So when the the silkworm or the caterpillars feed on the mulberry leaves, and the caterpillar are hatched from the eggs laid by the female silk moth. So they feed on the mulberry leaves, and when they have eaten enough, they converts itself into the cocoon, and inside that it forms into a pupa. So after some time, a fully developed adult silk moth emerges from the bottom of the cocoon, and the silk thread, basically yarn, is derived from the cocoon silk moth, and this is how the life cycle of the silk moth takes place.
One silk moth, what is the length of fiber it can provide? And do you know something about where silk was discovered, where it was first used or made into fabrics? And lastly, do you know about the Silk Road trade route in the medieval period? तो आज की मैं गूगल पे सिल्क शोध दूंगा, एक मिनट में आ जाएगा.
Because silk has immense importance in our daily life. As a textile also, it is widely used.
तो आप कुछ सोचती हैं इसके बारे में, आप कुछ करना चाहती हैं या फिर आप सोचती हैं कि मैं भी कुछ इसको प्रैक्टिकल करूँगी, या फिर कुछ बना दिया ऐसे मुझे अच्छा लगा तो मैंने बना दिया? कुछ पास्ट में था इसके, तो कुछ फ्यूचर में है इसके?
Not yet.
If I'm not wrong, the adult butterfly, this is butterfly, not silk.
Yeah.
The adult is known as butterfly, not silk.
Basically, moths are those that can produce silk. So butterflies come under the categories.
Silk moth is the early stage of the butterfly. This is not silk moth, the adult one. This is butterfly. Just to let you know.
Thank you. Something else you want to tell us about this? Thank you.